Hello students, welcome to Snehit Siddhganga City Central English Medium High School. So let's today start with our new chapter, that is Before the Match of English subject class 8. So students, this lesson Before the Match is written by a famous Indian writer, South Indian writer. His name is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. So he is commonly known as R.K. Narayan. So he is a famous South Indian writer, literature in English, and he has written many of the novels. And this is the first novel named Swamy and His Friends. So this lesson he has took from his first novel, Swamy and His Friends. So this R.K. Narayan writer was born on 10th October 1906 and died in 13th May 2001. Among this Swamy and His Friend novel, he has written many more novels like The Dark Room, The English Teacher, The Bachelor of Arts. So these are the novels written by him. And in this lesson, Before the Match took from the first novel written by R.K. Narayan, that is Swamy and Friends. In that there is a discussion of a schoolboys discussion, it is there. And in that the schoolboys they are playing a cricket tournament. So there are the two teams discussed in this lesson, and the characters are like Rajam, Swamy, and many more. So in this there is just discussion about the match which is going to be conducted with the two teams, and the name of the teams will be seen in this lesson. So children, first I'll read the paragraph and then we'll go on explaining you. Page number 19, Before the Match. R.K. Narayan was an Indian writer who was among the three most important writers who carved a place for Indian writing in English. In his first novel, Swamy and Friends, he described the adventure of a group of schoolboys in India in the 1930s. So children, as I told you, this lesson is written by R.K. Narayan, who is a famous South Indian English writer, and he has carved, means he has made a place. Carved means he has made a place in the English writing in India, and he has written many novels. This is discussed in this paragraph. An extract from Swamy and Friends by R.K. Narayan. The match was to be played on Sunday 2 weeks later. So as I told you children, this lesson is took from the first novel, that is Swamy and Friends. In this it is the discussion of the match that is going to be conducted on Sunday 2 weeks later, means after 2 weeks the match is going to conduct, and there is a discussion on this match among the school boys. Okay. Rajam lost all peace of mind. He felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU. So Rajam is, so children, Rajam is the first characteristic discussed here. He is very cool student, and he is always keeping his mind in peace. Okay, and he is very much confident of winning the match by the opposite team, that is named YMU. YMU, the full form of this team is Young's Men's Union. So there are the two teams discussed in this lesson. One is MCC. MCC means Malgudi Cricket Club. Okay. He himself could be depended upon to not let down the team. Money was steady if unimpressive. So Rajam was very much confident that he will get his match win from the opposite team, that is called YMU. Okay. And Money is the second character here discussed, and he was very stable person, not showing any kind of activeness in the match. Study means a stable student and not showing any anxiety or activeness in this team. Okay, he could be depended upon to stop with his head if necessary any ball. His batting was not good. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. So Rajam was very much confident. First character is Rajam. He was very much confident that he will win the match from the opposite team, and Rajam is very much in the peace of mind. And second character is discussed about the Money. Money was very steady and very stable child. Okay, and he will always be in the relaxing mood, that let's when the match comes, I will take the place as according to the situation. There was only one player. So there was only here is the discussion of the one player who was in the deep anxiety. Anxiety means who was always nervous and in the tension or worrying mood. Let's see who is that person. On him rested a great task, a mighty responsibility. He was the tet of the match and he looked uncertain. Uncertain means not definite, means always be in the absence manner. Who is that person? And that person, the whole match is on the discussion of that student, and on him the responsibility of the match was there, and that person is not able to cope up with the responsibility, that he is not serious in the match and he will be always uncertain, means he will be always remain absent for the practice. So let's see who is that person. Okay, even with the match only a fortnight off, he did not seem to care for practice. Swami Rajam pleaded, please do not try to have at least an hour practice in the evening. So here third characteristic. Who is the third characteristic? The name of the third character is Swami. The first one is Rajam, the second one is Money, and the third one is Swami. And to this Swami they called as a tet of the team, and tet is nobody, he is a famous cricketer, so he is given the pet name as a tet because the whole responsibility of the match is depend on that Swami. And Swami is very uncertain, he will be always remain absent, not serious about the match. Now Rajam is pleaded, means Rajam is asking, convincing to Swami that you should your presence is very important for the practice, so don't remain absent for at least few days. For at least these fortnight, means 15 days, you should be daily present for the practice in the evening. Okay, using to Swami that at least you should daily come for an hour to for the practice of the match in the evening. Certainly, Rajam, if you can suggest a way. Why not tell your headmaster that? Then what happened? Suddenly, Rajam told to Swami that you should request to your headmaster of the school, that you should request, and you should, according to that request, you should take the permission and you should be present in the evening for the practice of the match. Oh, no, Swaminathan cried. I am grateful to you for your suggestion, but let us not think of that man. So now Swaminathan, Swami is nobody but Swaminathan, same person. And Swaminathan, the boy, is saying to Rajam, another boy, that your suggestion, what you have given to me, it is very good and it is very correct. But no, Rajam, we will not think of our headmaster, because Swaminathan is very much afraid of his headmaster. So in this lesson, in this part, it is looking that Swaminathan is very afraid of his headmaster, and his headmaster, school headmaster, is very strict. Okay, so he don't want to talk to him and he don't want to take any excuse for that. I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. So who is saying these words? These words are said by the Rajam to Swaminathan. Rajam is saying that I won't care this, that you should be present in the evening for the match, means for the practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. So what is Rajam saying? Rajam is saying to Swaminathan that if any of the batsmen is playing on the ground on that day, and if he will play more than for 5 minutes, then he will not talk to him. It means Swaminathan is a bowler and he is very good in bowling. So Rajam is saying that your bowling is very good and you should make the front batsman out within 5 minutes. And if that batsman will not get out in 5 minutes, then I am not going to see your face again. So children, this is the story of lesson before the match. So let's continue with our next paragraph in the next class. And before ending this video, I want to tell you that this story is took from the Malgudi Days program, which is used to come on the DD National. So if you'll go in the YouTube, children, search for the Malgudi Days written by R.K. Narayan stories. In that, just go with the Swami and his friends and watch the video, children. You will understand the lesson watching that video. Okay, it will be very easier to that. And there is a part, I think 3-4 parts are there on this novel. So just go through that videos from the YouTubes. Thank you, children.